Want to try intermittent fasting, but don't know where to start? Let me guide you, because done right, it's one of the most powerful tools to reset your body, boost energy, and support healthy weight loss, without extreme diets or calorie counting. Hey friends, welcome back to Health Guru, your hub for science-backed wellness, simple nutrition tips, and sustainable habits that actually work. If you're looking to feel better, think clearer, and live longer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming. And today, we're breaking down intermittent fasting, what it is, how it works, the easiest ways to start, and the biggest mistakes beginners make. Stick around to the end. I'll share the best fasting schedule for beginners and a trick that makes fasting feel way easier. So what is intermittent fasting exactly? It's not a diet, it's an eating pattern. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, giving your body time to rest, repair, and rebalance. Think of it like cleaning your house. When you're constantly snacking, your body never gets the chance to tidy up. Fasting gives it that break to clear out inflammation, regulate blood sugar, and even boot its cellular repair. Let's talk top benefits. These are real, science-backed advantages. Improved focus and mental clarity. Steadier energy throughout the day. Fewer cravings and easier portion control. Better blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Fat burning without muscle loss. Enhanced longevity and cellular repair. No wonder so many people feel better when they fast. Now, here are the 4 most popular intermittent fasting methods. But don't worry, I'll tell you which one is best to start with. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. 14-10 method, a gentler version of 16-8, better for beginners. 5-2 method, eat normally 5 days a week, then restrict calories to 500 to 600 on 2 days. OMAD, 1 meal a day, advanced, not where you want to begin. If you're just starting out, go with the 14-10. Fast for 14 hours, eat during a 10-hour window. That might look like eating from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Super doable, right? Step 1. Choose your eating window. Start with something manageable, like 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Step 2. Stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, and herbal tea are your best friends during the fast. Step 3. Break your fast wisely. Start with something rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Think eggs, avocado, or a protein smoothie. Step 4. Be consistent. It's not about perfection. It's about creating rhythm. Your body loves rhythm. Here's the truth. The hardest part is the first 3 to 5 days. That's when your body's switching from sugar burning to fat burning. But once you get past that, you'll feel more energized, less hungry, and way more in control of your eating habits. Let's bust a quick myth. Won't I lose muscle? Not if you're eating enough protein during your eating window and staying active. In fact, intermittent fasting preserves lean muscle while burning fat, especially if you do light strength training. Now for that tip I promised. If you struggle in the morning, add a pinch of sea salt to your water. Fasting depletes electrolytes, and that little boost can curb hunger and brain fog like magic. Which fasting method sounds best for your lifestyle? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear where you're starting from and help you fine-tune it. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got a whole series coming on fasting-friendly foods, what breaks a fast, and more. And if you want to go deeper, check out my video, Top 7 Foods to Eat When Breaking a Fast. It's linked right here. Stay balanced, stay curious, and I'll see you next time on Health Guru.